Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So 24 hours ago, I decided that I wanted to do a brunch for my family and friends. So immediately I ran out to Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree and I purchased all of the things that you are seeing here that I have pretty much styled on my island as a entire brunch setup. I did not have time to go out and look for food tiers or any type of fancy dishes. So everything that you see was purchased from Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree. And I have a few items from Walmart in there as well. The martini glasses were purchased from Marshall's. So I am going to pretty much prepare a brunch. I have an entire menu set up in which I am going to be sharing all of these quick, easy recipes with you guys. So if you are interested in how I pulled a brunch together within 24 hours, keep watching. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside, outside, outside. It's lifestyle lovers. So the brunch is over. Everyone is going home. Look at the look. All the food is gone. As you can see, the brunch was a success. My friends enjoyed. I was expecting 7 people, but I only got 6. So it was my girlfriend Sheila, my girlfriend Erica, my best friend Kizzy, my sister Stacy, my daughter Neri, and me. So it was 6 of us. I only have a few things left. As you can see, this is what's left. Some turkey sausage, like 3 pancakes, which somebody could have took that. A few fruit cups, and then some yogurt parfait cups, French toast shooters. All the mimosas are gone. They killed the mimosas. I have a little bit of white chocolate martini left because most of my friends said that the white chocolate martini was too strong, honey. They couldn't handle it. I am drinking one now. So what was on the menu? So I had chicken and waffles. I had my sister go by Popeyes to get some of the chicken nuggets. And what I did was, let me show you guys. Because I don't think I showed it in the vlog because I kind of ran out of time. So these are the mini waffles made by Eggo. So I just took a Popeyes chicken nugget and just placed it between the mini waffles. And then I had some salmon bites, which I just cut the salmon up into chunks, and I just put them on like a skewer, a small skewer. So I had salmon bites. What else? Turkey sausage. We have these left. I cut these up, and then there were the mini pancakes. These are made by, I don't know who they're made by, but I purchased them from Publix. Oh, I had apples and dip, which was a caramel dip with the Heath bar. I had that. Those are gone. Everything is gone except for, with the exception that I showed you guys. And I had shrimp and grits. So the shrimp and grits recipe, I will link that in the description box because everybody loved it. They loved the shrimp and grits. This is what's left. This is what's left of the shrimp and grits. And that's the grits, which I'll probably throw that away. But that's what's left of the shrimp and grits. I did not use any pork in any of these recipes. I know that you use bacon in the shrimp and grits, but I replaced it with sausage. I replaced it with turkey sausage. So I replaced it with turkey sausage, and I think that's it. So I told you guys about the shrimp cocktail. You've seen the fruit cup, cucumber salmon bites, yogurt parfait, salmon, apples and caramel dip, shrimp and grits, cheesecake bites, and French toast shooters. And that's it, lifestyle lovers. So I pulled this off in less than 24 hours for my girlfriends. Everybody enjoyed it. They were so impressed. But if I pull this off in 24 hours, you guys can pull it off in 24 hours as well. But that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know how much footage that I have because I kind of like been enjoying my friends and my family. We had a really, really good time. I'm gonna let you know that in this video I do want to do a giveaway because this will be my last video that will be dedicated to Vlogmas. I want to do like a planner gift. So it'll be a gift with a planner and some things to kind of help you prepare for 2022 because Christmas will be over soon, and we'll be planning for a new year. So it's time for new goals, it's time for new things, and I want to help someone achieve their goals with a planner gift. So I haven't decided what's all going to be in it, but if you are interested, make sure you comment below and just comment plan for 2022. Hashtag plan for 2022. I just kind of came up with that. So hashtag plan for 2022 if you want to enter the planner gift. and I'll go ahead and kind of collect some things, and I'll get it out to you once I select a winner. I know I haven't been letting you guys know how long the giveaway is going to run, but it's running for an entire week. So it'll probably be around the first of the year when I'll select a winner, and I'll let you guys know via my channel. But that's it. I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up. Enjoyed this video. I hope you guys were able to take away some ideas if you want to plan a brunch for your family or your girlfriends or your man, honey. You have all the tools that you need in order to do that. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.